Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another nail art haul for you guys, and here we are starting off with this amazing little box of slime charms, but I will be using them as kawaii charms, which is what I usually do. And you get 120 pieces for only $14.99. I thought it was amazing, and on top of everything, you do get a container already to store them in. It's like you just can't go wrong. Absolutely amazing price for 120 pieces. You can do whatever you like with these. Me personally, I purchased them to use them as kawaii charms. So here I'm just going to briefly show you everything that I purchased in this video. First, we're starting off with some Amazon goodies, and we're going to move over to some Aliexpress goodies, and I do have something from Shein as well. And like I usually mention, I just have a random section where I do my nail artwork, and I just pick out of that random box, and I'm just choosing the products. So sometimes you guys might see more quantity of AliExpress, for example, as opposed to Amazon or Shein, or vice versa. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's nail art haul. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you guys enjoyed. And by the way, guys, let me know down below in the comments what was your favorite item or items in today's nail haul. So I just wanted to hop right in, and I hope you guys are enjoying what you're seeing so far out of this 120 piece charm set. I absolutely love it. I can't stress it enough how great of a deal this is. It's only $14.99, and that's the regular price. It was also Amazon's choice. It's not the reason why I purchased it, but when I came around coming to this item, I just couldn't pass it up. I mean, 120 pieces, you just can't go wrong. If you purchase this anywhere else, it will cost you a lot more money. And I love the variety of the different charms that it incorporates, and textures as well. You guys will see here along the video as I show you them, and I hope you guys are not getting bored, but I do love showing every single piece that it brings, because I want you guys to see if it's something that you'd consider purchasing, just in case maybe some people may think, okay, this set has way too much doubles, or it's just right, you know what I mean? So I always like to show every single piece in whatever I am showing, because sometimes I know a lot of people don't like a lot of repeats or whatever the case may be, and I thought this was a perfect balance of it all. I absolutely was so happy with this, so affordable in my opinion, and I did purchase this through Amazon, and I will have everything linked down below down in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing anything you saw in today's nail art haul. And by the way, sometimes things won't be linked down below because they're either unavailable or they've been sold out, so I do apologize for that, but I do always try to link everything down below for you all. And I hope you guys are enjoying today's nail art haul so far. I really was excited to make this because I definitely wanted to show you guys this 120 piece charm set, because it was just such a great deal, and everywhere else that I've come across these, you don't get 120 pieces, and it's definitely, you know, like it'll be like 20, 10 up to 40 pieces for $10 or more. So when I saw this, I just knew I had to share it with you guys. Next, we're moving on to this 10-piece foil sheets, and this is definitely one of my absolute favorite pieces in today's nail art haul. I purchased this like 2 days ago and I just got here today, and this is through Amazon. I absolutely loved these prints. I thought they were very different, unique, and I just loved the style, like the graphic art style that I incorporated in them. They were absolutely beautiful for the most part, and unfortunately, yeah, the length isn't that long, but I really don't mind just because I love these prints, and they're currently on sale for like $2.87 or some change, something like that. So that was definitely a great deal for me, and also on Amazon, because I'm not gonna lie, I have to go on hunts through Amazon to be able to find these deals. They're not gonna just randomly pop up. I really have to go hunting deep in Amazon to be able to find things that make sense, because lately I've been finding so much great things on Amazon for such an amazing price, even better than like Aliexpress, especially with the stickers. It has just been like back to back, and I'm just so happy that I've came across them and I can share it with you guys, and you guys could add it to your collection if you desire as well, because I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love anything nail art, especially nail art stickers or decals. I really love them. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and I hope you guys like these foil sheets, because I absolutely loved these foil sheets. I thought the prints were just so cool, like to be on, like to go on a nail or like a really nice nail set. You can do so much with these, and they're just really nice. I absolutely love the style of them. So now I'm going to be showing you guys these stickers that I purchased through Amazon as well, and this brings 10, I believe, and they're full-sized sheets, and I absolutely loved this set. I believe this was $3.99, and you get literally 10 sheets full size. Usually these sheets can vary anywhere up to $5 anywhere that you purchase them, so that's why I'm saying sometimes on Amazon they just make such great deals that I just can't pass up on, you know what I mean? And I'm just so happy that I could share it with you guys. And I loved how this also incorporated 2 sheets of Alice in Wonderland, this one and another one along the video you guys will see. And I love the cherub angels, because I don't really have that many cherub angels like nail art related stuff, so I was so happy to get my hands on a set that mostly incorporated cherub angel nail art stickers. So I absolutely love this. This is definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. I was just so happy with all the Amazon goodies that I've been finding and that I incorporated in today's nail art haul. I do have a lot more, and I'm just trying to like go really quickly with these nail art hauls, because I don't want to take so long to show the product that then it's no longer available or it's no longer on sale. So yeah guys, this is definitely one of my favorite finds here through Amazon. And next here we're moving on to, I believe that this is Aliexpress. So this I purchased through Aliexpress, and these are a 5 set of the Old English letters, and these are, I believe, a nail art stickers. So you just get 5 little sheets, and I did purchase this through Aliexpress. So here I'm just going to briefly show you these, and then I'm going to move on to a set of 24, I believe, of water decals that I also purchased from the same seller through Aliexpress. So now we're also moving on to some more stickers, and I'm sorry that I've been showing so much nail art stickers. I hope you guys don't mind. I just didn't realize how many I had piled up that I hadn't shown you guys in the past, so I definitely wanted to catch up and incorporate more of them in the nail art hauls. But here I just purchased these 3 full sheets of nail art stickers through Aliexpress, and they're just floral ones. I thought they're really cute. They were like $1 and some change and free shipping. So next we're moving on to this Born Pretty scraper that I purchased, and this is for stamping because I had lost mine, or I don't know, I just haven't been able to find it, and I thought it was really nice, but this unfortunately is unavailable, and I did link that down below. Like, I wrote it down below letting you guys know that it was no longer available, but pretty sure there's many more on Amazon, AliExpress, or Shein as well. And this is the only Shein products in today's video, and this is just a box of colorful rhinestones, and they are the bigger size. So here I'm just gonna remove one and show you guys up close. And it was very sparkly, and I really enjoyed that about it. So I definitely like this, and it was only like $2 and some change. I believe this was $2.50, so it was definitely a great buy. And by the way, guys, I do have a lot of hauls coming up because I recently went on a huge shopping spree for some reason, and I just started buying a bunch of nail art stuff to show you guys and be able to show you and create more nail art hauls for you all. So here I'm just showing you some buffers that I purchased through AliExpress. You get a pack of 10 for like $1 and some change, so I thought that was a really good deal, and it has 2 different types of grit. One is smoother and the other one is a little bit rougher, so that is great. And next we're moving on to another item that I purchased through Ali, and this is just a wheel of like little caviar beads, and they're colorful. So I thought this was really cute. It was really messy though. I didn't like how everything got mixed together, but it is what it is. I just wanted to show you guys anyway. And next here we are moving on to some more water decals, and these I purchased through Amazon, and I absolutely love the unique design. I didn't have anything like this. I just want to tell you guys that some of the cuts were very weirdly shaped, like they didn't really cut the sheets evenly. That doesn't bother me, but it might bother some people, so I'm just letting you guys know that from now. But I just got them because they're very beautiful and unique, and I didn't have anything like this, so I definitely wanted to incorporate that into my collection. So now we are coming to an end of this nail art haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you.